So we are back with another spicy noodle challenge. This time I am doing the cheese flavor hot chicken noodle challenge. I've never tried this one before, so that's why I decided to do it. We'll see if it's hot enough to make me hiccup. If it's not, I'm so sorry. There's nothing I can do about that. I do not control my hiccups, they control me. Anyways, yeah, so if you're new here, my name is Lulu Bella, and I need to stop looking at the viewfinder. I will learn not to eventually. But yeah, if you're new here, my name is Lulu Bella, and I would like you to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Smash the like button, and don't forget to hit that notification bell, and yeah, so you can know when I'm doing spicy noodle challenges. So without further ado, let's put the stuffs inside the bowl. Okay, so here's the sauce. As you can see, oh, hopefully you can see it. It says cheese. If you hear my phone, just ignore it. Whoa. That was close. Oh my god, I got it all over me. Hot. Why did I do that? What's wrong with me? This doesn't taste like cheese. Maybe the cheese part is in the powdery package. This is just a sauce. Okay. So I have to go clean my hands. Yeah. So now we're going to put the cheesy powder. The cheesy powder in there. It this way, except for I'm handicapped, so that's all I rip off. There we are. This looks like, it looks and smells just like the powder that you put in the whatchamacallit, the instant macaroni, mac and cheese craft dinner, whatever you want to call it. Make sure I got it all there. It smells nice. So now I'm going to mix it all up. It smells good. Hello again. I'm just finishing up mixing it, and yeah. So this is what it looks like. Getting shape. Let's just put it down a little. There we go. Now you can see better. Let's see how it tastes. as per usual, I don't have any kind of drink with me. I usually do these challenges without any kind of liquid, or I mean milk or liquid. I mean milk or water or anything. I don't drink anything. So the moment of truth. Wish me luck. That tastes fucking good. There's the hiccups. Oh fuck. Ah shit. Fuck. It tastes so good though. Oh. There's something wrong with me, I'm telling you. Oh, that fucking burns. I'm crying. Oh. Have you seen my eyes watering? I'll have to look at this after and see. I'm almost done. Oh, my nose is pouring. Fuck. Sorry. Okay. One more. Oh shit, I got it on my controller. Shit. I'll clean that properly later. Anyway, so now that I'm done torturing myself, yeah, my lips are on fire. Let me bring you guys closer. Yeah, my lips are on fire. Like, they burn. Holy, look how red they are. Anyway, yeah, so my throat's not really burning anymore. It's just my the tip of my tongue and my mouth. But anyway, my nose is still running. Thank you for watching. I can't talk properly. My lips are so blah. They're probably really pouty right now though. Anyway, yeah. Thank you for watching. I already said that, but whatever. If you have made it this far and you haven't subscribed, then you're crazy, and you need to go subscribe down below. Hit the notification button or bell, and comment, like, and yeah, let me know what you thought. Okay, until next time, bye my foodies.